Hey guys, how's it going? So get back to another product video. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best USB microphone which you can get today for pretty much everything from singing to voiceovers. So let's get started. There's no doubt why the Blue Yeti is the best USB microphone which you can get right now, or even the best microphone with lower budget which you can get right now. It costs around £119.99 and $129.99. You may now call me stupid that this is not a cheap price for me, but if you want to get a better microphone than the Yeti, you have to spend a couple of £100 or dollars in order to get. This microphone is great for multi-purpose, for interviews, instruments, vocals, and for voiceovers if you're a YouTuber. And of course it's compatible with both PC and Mac. During this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the Yeti microphone, how to use it, how to get the best quality out of it, how to set it up, and of course in the end I'm going to make some tests of this microphone to show you how good it is. Together with the microphone, I got two foam covers to use with the Yeti microphone to see how it performs with them. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this microphone. So as you can see, there's a box in a box. So here you have the USB cable. So this is what you use to connect the microphone to the computer. Here you have the user guide, so how to use it and how to connect it. So this is how the microphone looks like, and as you can see it's made out of metal, which pretty much this is what makes my eye blink. Of course it weighs around 3.5 pounds and is just under 1 foot tall, indicating that this microphone is not small at all. The microphone and the base are not stick together, that's why there are two screws on each side in order to hold it. Of course you can change the base, or perhaps you can just remove the base and you can hold it instead. Also with the screws you can adjust the rotation of the microphone in order to make it as comfortable as you want. Okay, so now let's have a look on how this microphone works, and of course what are all these knobs and buttons on it, and how you can connect it and maximize the quality. On the front of the microphone there's a headphone volume knob, the mute button and the blue logo. The headphone knob is used only for headphone users. This increases and decreases the volume of the headphones. And the mute button is used to turn on the microphone, indicated as solid red, and turn it off, indicated as blinking red. On the bottom there are two ports. The one on the left is a USB port, which is used to connect your microphone to your computer, and the one on the right is to connect your headphones in order to be able to hear what you are saying live. On the back you have all the settings of the microphone. The top one is used to change the sensitivity of the microphone, and the bottom is used to change the pattern of the microphone. Since I mentioned patterns, the most important feature about this microphone and what makes it great and multi-use, it's time to tell you exactly what are all the uses of the microphone and which one you should use in which occasion. On the back of the box you have all the patterns which this microphone has. And while explaining you what all these patterns do and what they sound like, I'm going to be switching between those patterns while speaking. The first pattern we have is the cardioid mode. This is the most commonly used mode in this microphone, and what makes it so convenient is that it only captures sound on the front of the microphone and tries to minimize everything else on the background. To see the difference, I'm going to be turning the microphone from the right to the left just for you to see the difference and how my voice changes as I turn the microphone around. And now I am on the back of the microphone, and you may see my voice changes a bit and is a bit dimmer. But if I turn the microphone on the front side again, my voice increases and it becomes as it used to. So this pattern is used for instruments, podcasts, vocals, and is the only option which is accessible for voiceovers, because the worst thing to experience while you're doing voiceover is the background noise, and this microphone tries to minimize it. This option is very popular for YouTubers because while doing something they would like to talk on top of it. And to be honest, as soon as I took the microphone out of the box, this is the mode which I've been using throughout this video, just for you to get an extra idea of how it sounds like by using more words. The next pattern is the stereo mode, which looks like a Venn diagram. I apologize for those who hate probability. This mode is perfect for capturing realistic stereo image because it can distinguish noises on the right and on the left of the microphone. So right now I'm on the right side of the microphone, And if you're wearing earphones or headphones, you will be able to hear my voice on the right side of the headphone or earphone. And now I am on the left side, and if you're wearing again headphones or earphones, you'll be able to hear me speaking on the left side. This is great for vocals and of course instrument and music, because sometimes while playing music and you have some sound effects, you'll like the microphone to distinguish which is left and which is right and which is on the front. Next we have the Omnidirectional pattern, which looks like a circle, and this means that the microphone picks sound equally from all directions. So right now I'm turning the microphone around from right to left, and as you can hear, my voice is picked equally from each direction the microphone can hear me. And now I'm going back to the front and the voice haven't been changed at all. This is perfect for recording meetings. If you have many people around the microphone, then you can place the microphone in the middle and then you can record everyone equally. Of course, you can also use it to record a conversation between multiple people, and also you can record a group of musicians by placing the microphone again in the middle, and the musician can be placed around. And lastly, we have the bidirectional pattern of the microphone, which looks like an infinite symbol. Apologize for those who hate maths, which only captures sound on the front of the microphone and on the rear side of the microphone, so on the back side of the microphone. It tries to minimize or not capture anything on the sides of the microphone. Right now I'm rotating the microphone from the right side again and around, and now I'm on the right side and my voice is not being captured properly. Now on the back side of the microphone, my voice is pretty much the same as the front. Again, on the left side, my voice is not captured properly or it's very dim. And right now I'm turning back on the front side of the microphone, which my voice is again as it used to. Now this is a great pattern to use for interviews, because you're gonna have only two people talking, one on the front and one on the back, and you don't want anything to be captured on the side, just to get a very high quality audio of the review. And of course, it's a great thing if you're the teacher and then you have a guitarist on the other side and you're singing and the guitarist is playing on the other side. And of course, if you're playing music, you don't want anything to be captured on the sides. And of course, if you have a duo vocals, so you're the singer and you have the other singer on the other side, then you're singing duo, and again, you don't want anything to be captured on the sides. And now you may ask me, how do you connect it to your computer and what drivers does it need? And the simple answer is that it doesn't need any drivers. The only thing you have to do is to connect it to your Mac or to your PC computer, but if you have a Mac, then you simply have to connect it to your Mac computer, and then you have to go to settings, sound and input, and you have to select Yeti microphone. But if you're a Windows user, then you have to go to the control center and then you have to go to sound, and from there you have to select Yeti microphone. And after that, you'll be able to use your brand new microphone without any rocket science setup. Now, I would like to test the microphone by using a foam. So now I'm recording without a foam, and right now I'm gonna place the foam on the top of the microphone. And as you can see now, my voice sounds a bit dimmer, and if I say the word like pub or pug or potato, you won't be able to hear high pitches of my voice, because everything is fade out a bit just to reduce high pitches, which makes the noise a bit smoother rather than crispy. And the foams that I'm using right now are down in the description for you to buy from Amazon. And lastly, I would like to tell you some tips and tricks which you could maximize the quality using the Yeti microphone. So first of all is to adjust the gain. So right now I'm increasing the gain, the sensitivity of the microphone, so that's why you can hear my voice change. And now I'm reducing the gain, hence my voice is going down and the background noise is being reduced. So please make sure to adjust the gain at the point where you can only hear yourself and nothing on the background. And as I said earlier, if you use a foam, this is going to further improve the quality of the sound, and of course it's going to eliminate any background noises such as air and of course when you breathe. Next, you have to use the correct pattern depending on what you want to do. So for example, if you want to do a voiceover, then you definitely want to use the cardioid mode, or if you want to interview someone, then you definitely want to use the bidirectional mode. Unfortunately, you cannot bring down the background noise to 0, since it's always going to be there no matter what tip you're gonna use. But all tips I told you is to decrease it to a level where you won't be able to hear it, but it's always going to be there. So your best bet is to try to eliminate the background noise by yourself. So try to move everything somewhere else and then go to a very quiet room and do the recording. So what kind of microphone are you using? Do you have a Yeti microphone? And how long do you have it and how satisfied are you? Let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Share this with your friends if they're looking for a great microphone to use for any purpose. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more product reviews and for more videos coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you in my next video.